Africa is home to some of the world's most resilient and dynamic billionaires, whose fortunes have seen a modest rebound in 2024. The combined net worth of Africa's 20 richest individuals now stands at $82.4 billion. This reflects the continent's complex economic landscape, shaped by political instability, currency volatility, and infrastructure challenges. Aliko Dangote, dominating the manufacturing sector. Topping the list for the 13th consecutive year is Nigeria's Aliko, with a net worth of $13.9 billion. Dangote's wealth is primarily derived from his manufacturing empire, especially cement. His fortune grew by $400 million despite Nigeria's economic challenges, such as a devalued naira and political uncertainty following the 2023 presidential election. Johann Rupert, luxury goods powerhouse. In second place is South Africa's Johann Rupert, with a net worth of $10.1 billion. Rupert, the magnate behind luxury brands like Cartier and Montblanc, experienced a $600 million decline in wealth due to falling share prices. Nonetheless, he remains a dominant figure in the global fashion and retail industry. Nikki Oppenheimer, a legacy of diamond wealth. Rounding out the top three is Nikki Oppenheimer, heir to the De Beers diamond fortune, whose net worth rose by $1 billion to $9.4 billion. Oppenheimer continues to benefit from the success of his mining ventures, solidifying his place among Africa's wealthiest. Femi Otedola, a comeback in energy. The list also highlights the return of Nigerian billionaire Femi Otedola, who rejoined the rankings at number 20 with a net worth of $1.1 billion. Otedola's fortune is largely tied to his 73% stake in Garegu Power, valued at $850 million. Issad Rebrab, a significant loss. However, not all billionaires experienced growth. Algerian industrialist Issad Rebrab saw his net worth nearly halve to $2.5 billion after legal issues led to his barring from managing his conglomerate. Sevital, Nassef Sawiris, the biggest gain. On the other hand, Egypt's Nassef Sawiris enjoyed the biggest gain, adding $1.4 billion to his fortune. This increase was fueled by rising shares in Adidas and dividends from his family's conglomerate, OCI. Geographical distribution of wealth. Geographically, South Africa leads with 6 billionaires on the list, followed by Egypt with 5 and Nigeria with 4. Morocco has 2, while Algeria, Tanzania, and Zimbabwe each have 1. Economic challenges and trends. Africa remains a tough environment for building and maintaining wealth. High interest rates, weak currencies, and political instability often deter investors, making entrenched family fortunes and government-linked businesses dominant in the rankings. Despite these hurdles, 13 billionaires saw their fortunes rise in 2024, reflecting resilience amid Africa's complex economic landscape. Forbes calculated net worths using stock prices and exchange rates as of January 8, 2024, showcasing the persistent drive for growth despite the region's challenges.